In this video, let me show you the way that you can create a Messenger account. Welcome back to this new guide video, everyone. In order for you to create a Messenger account, you need to create a Facebook account first of all, because Messenger is not a standalone application. It is just a feature inside of Facebook. So the way that you create a Messenger account is either through the Messenger app, or you can also do it through the Facebook app. For this video, I'm just going to use the Messenger app. Once you open up the Messenger app, you'll straight away land on the section where you can log into your account. But in order to create a new one, tap on the Create New Account option. Tap on Create New Account again, and then fill in your first name as well as your surname for your Facebook account. Once you're done, you can tap on Next on the bottom. In the next step, you need to select your date of birth and then tap on Next. Select your gender and then tap on Next again. Either you can use your mobile phone to connect, or you can also connect or sign up with your email address. So select the option that you need. For this video, I'm just going to use the email. Type in your email or your phone number and then tap on Next again. You now need to create a password which is at least 6 characters long, which should include numbers and letters. Agree to the terms and policies of Facebook. And a confirmation code now will be sent to the email address or the phone number that you added in. Just enter in the confirmation code and then you can tap on Next. And that's it. Your account of Facebook or Messenger now has been created. You can complete your profile or skip this process for now. I do hope this guide video helped you out in creating your new account of Messenger. If this guide video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up.